Have you ever looked at a new phone and instantly felt like you were seeing the future? The moment I saw these Galaxy Foldable mockups, that was the exact feeling I got. They look bold, fresh, and surprisingly different from anything Samsung has shown before. With Samsung's next-generation foldables getting closer to launch, excitement is starting to build. While these are not final products, these early dummy units give us a fascinating glimpse at what Samsung could be preparing behind the scenes. The designs featured here are based on dummy models showcased by the Cinza, and honestly, some of them are turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's start with the device that immediately grabbed my attention, the Galaxy Wide Fold. At first glance, it feels completely different from traditional foldables. Most foldable phones are tall and narrow, but this concept takes a different approach with a wider, more natural shape. The result is a device that looks incredibly comfortable to hold and surprisingly practical for everyday use. Even if it ends up slightly thicker than current models, the wider body creates the illusion of a slimmer, more balanced design. The outer display looks perfect for quick tasks like messaging, scrolling through social media, checking notifications, or reading articles. But the real magic happens when you unfold it. Suddenly, it transforms into a compact tablet experience that feels ideal for watching videos, gaming, productivity, and multitasking. It's this kind of design that makes you wonder why foldables weren't built this way from the beginning. Next up is the Galaxy Fold 8. At first, it may seem familiar, but the details tell a different story. Samsung appears focused on refining what already works rather than reinventing it. The device looks thinner, sleeker, and more polished. One of the biggest improvements could be the reduction of the display crease, something foldable users have wanted for years. If Samsung succeeds, the inner screen could feel more seamless than ever before. Combined with potential battery improvements, the Fold 8 could offer a much more refined premium experience. Samsung's upcoming foldables are generating huge excitement worldwide, as fresh leaks keep fueling anticipation. Reports hint at a bold lineup change, with the wider model expected as the Galaxy Z Fold 8, while the classic Fold could be rebranded as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, marking a significant shift in Samsung's foldable strategy. The excitement spiked even further when the Galaxy Z Fold 8 was reportedly spotted in public, soon followed by leaked dummy units that fueled even more speculation. Now, trusted tipster Ice Universe has stepped in with new details that give a clearer picture of what's coming. The wider Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to weigh just 201 grams, positioning it among the lightest foldables ever made. To put that into perspective, Huawei's Pura X Max sits at 229 grams, while Apple's upcoming foldable is expected to be even heavier, giving Samsung a strong advantage in portability. On the hardware side, the Fold 8 may pack a 4,500 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging. It is also expected to feature a new 50-megapixel camera sensor capable of native 24-megapixel output, hinting at a major leap in imaging quality. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Fold 8 Ultra is said to weigh around 215 grams, matching its predecessor, but it brings meaningful upgrades. The battery is expected to grow from 4,400 to 5,000 milliamp-hours, while charging speeds jump from 25 watts to 45 watts. It may also become slimmer, reducing thickness from 4.2 millimeters to 4.1 millimeters, while improving overall efficiency. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series at its Galaxy Unpacked event in London on July 22nd, setting the stage for one of the most anticipated foldable launches yet.